And here comes a CP train. Looks like a mixed freight. Here at the Dorval ramps, coming in very slowly, headed westbound. So let's see if he's doing a backup move or if he's doing just leaving the area. Looks like the usual power here, ES44s. There's a guy getting on. It looks like all mixed freight there. Could be some stacks in the back. Usually doesn't hesitate too long there. But we'll see. Looks like he's getting ready to go, actually. It looks like there might be a rebuilt AC 4400 CWM, and this one also might be an M, AC 4400 CWM. They got the beaver insignia. They look like they've been rebuilt. So I was wrong before. They're not ES44s. Looks like they still got reds over here, so they won't be going anytime soon. Probably going to be waiting for the EXO train to come. There's going to be an EXO commuter train fairly soon, and then it'll probably be on its way. It usually waits in a hole here. So I'll cut this off here and wait for this train to leave. Like what I do? Please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal and stay tuned for part 2.